What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy with JMed's Brick Clicks. So, I've seen people buy these sets. I've seen one or two people try to put them in their city, and they don't do anything to them. Well, let's add to them. Look at how much better this looks compared to this. Now, these are two sets, so this one's still in the box, so I still have to open it, but I just made this easy to remove little base. And yeah, here's our one tree. Look at how good that looks compared to that. So these are what are going to end up going in my farm. Man, I can't talk today. I'm going to add the bases. Yeah, there's the trunks. We might cut them down 1 or 2 studs, but for the most part, there's no reason, because even this isn't tall enough the way this is, for my farm at least. Maybe other people's cities, but the way I figure it, if you have a 2-story house plus a roof and trees around me tower over those houses, yeah, this maybe way up here is not out of the question. So that's what I've done. I've just made a cheap little base here. It's just easier to place them to build on. And then, yeah, that's what I'll do. Let's get these last 2 built. And, you know, in the beginning, they don't look bad. But when you start adding just random branches in places, just these like lime green color branches, and then you can see some leaves, extra pink pieces, they really pop. I think it's going to really add some good color to my farm for the springtime setting. Once the spring's over in real life here in the US, we'll move on to the summertime. We'll take these out and put them away, kind of like we do with the winter trees that I just removed in a previous video.